For some reason, I cannot see the line.
That's okay. It's under the beauty call.
Oh, it's under beauty call today.
Exactly.
Okay, so maybe that's why I'm having a hard time.
That's okay. Mais salut, ouais, mon Dieu, c'est fille cheveux blancs. Oh, un marié, non. Oh, Jean-Michel H. dit, puis avec cheveux blancs, il besoin de marier avant.
Non, marié Jean-Michel Basquiat. Okay, now I find it. Okay. Marié la cantave.
Marié la cantave. Tout le monde, même pas l'hôtel, il est c'est ça. Oh, bon, je vais commencer à m'obliger.
No, that's not, because if there's one thing nous dit que nous, pour fanatique, nous, on a respecté le, c'est le, et que à 6 ans, on a démarré. Regardless, si là ou bien si c'est bon sugar, but like whoever is here, I see not the like. Gently, I make sure que lui même là.
Bon, nous avons parlé de photos. Gently, on va mettre photos par là, non? Nous parlons de Kiki, nous parlons anti-power, anti-qui chose sur, et comment dire, sur Usher. Qu'est-ce qu'on nous parlons un little sur bedjine. Nous faisons toucher 2 3. Et nous pas faire grosse discussion. Marissa, oui. Manu Dumais, c'est Marissa cute, oui.
Oh, thank you.
Comme
one thing I wanted to say about the whole Kiki and Usher situation, c'est parce que tant que nous-mêmes, nous pas garder momentum et qui sont pour nous capables, comme tu as dit ça, take advantage of what is happening.
Kiki n'était pas avantage, Kiki décidait que on parlé de ça, Kiki décidait que libre la musique libre monter sous piti libre chanter pendant ce temps Usher you like it combine so Usher saying babe you got the halftime show
yeah the
Super Bowl ça tellement Beyoncé était bon oui non Beyoncé était enfant Rihanna était bon mais Rihanna était bon mais depuis que Super Bowl c'est around my birthday so toujours celebrate Super Bowl, fait brown sugar, toujours fait l'obéi. So, oh yeah, super. But, Anessa, tellement fanatique et Usher. Je suis mal Vegas, mal Mark Anthony, parce que je travaille, red carpet Mark Anthony. So, au lieu pour me chita, pour m'aborder Mark Anthony, je fais un genre pour m'alouer Usher. Dommage et tout est sold out. Après c'est pas de connaître moun pas quitter rentrer so period. But show ça.
No, and for Usher, back to the campaign advertising.
Yeah.
He did his residency.
Oh yes.
In Vegas.
In Las Vegas.
And then
Tout story all well. Après il joue un clip yo.
Il utilise story qui est plus fanbase qu'on a là. Kim Kardashian to do the commercial.
Oh, réclame ça.
Of confession.
C'est ça me dit. Pour dire musique ça a tombé après une grande histoire musique vraie de Usher qui était trompé madame Lee or girlfriend là you break up blah 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 but musique ça commencement confession ce qu'on dit ouais Kim Kardashian qui dit yeah, you're gonna be at
the show?
You're gonna be at Usher. You're gonna be at Las Vegas. Yeah, and put that on everything. I put that on everything, Usher.
And I'm bringing my whole family, the kids.
We're all coming out to support you.
And he goes, who should I request the tickets? And then
I'll call you back. This is how we want. I'll call you back.
And then he did the one with Deion Sanders. Deion Sanders right now. That everybody knows.
Deion Sanders.
The talk of town with college football.
For college football, which his son plays, but on lot avenue, I guess, another history on Deion. When Deion is an amputee, they went two toes. How do you say two toes? Deux pieds d'eau. Doit pieds. Comment tu dis doit? Il était coupé because of
lack of blood flow.
Yes.
So
really, I forget the name of the disease, but yes.
Yeah, blood clots. He suffers from blood clots.
But there's something else for it. But I'll think of it.
So yeah.
The sauté.
Yeah.
But
the whole point is the marketing.
Yes.
Behind it all.
It becomes all ties together.
Right.
It's a full circle.
Music, fashion, entertainment.
TV, radio,
everything,
broadcast, it's there. Take advantage. And Kiki prend avantage.
Kiki voilà.
Kiki là, il y a une musique, là, des sous stage, la vie école. C'est pas un monde qui fait un petit monde, c'est ça lié.
So c'est ça.
Manu, thank you, my love.
That's Kiki doing her thing. In full superstar mode.
What's your hair?
This hair is just everything. Curly hair. You can never go wrong. Kiki is living her best life. You know, life after pregnancy, she shows you, hey, having a child doesn't stop.
Mean, yes.
Yeah, you know, what she has going on.
So, je ne pas faire mouvement avec nous. Vous regardez votre moi. Je dis ça, vous regardez votre. Je vous ai pas votre femme, non? On my boss now. Marisa, how is that's Africa.
Africa was amazing.
Mama Africa.
Africa was amazing. Africa was amazing. I think we're gonna just have to wait till next week to do the Africa show.
Okay.
Because there's so much happening. What I'm gonna say is, I was in Africa with Alan Cavé and
they went Alan Cavé.
Alan Cavé, this is what I'm gonna say.
He was a performer?
He was performing. He was performing the whole weekend.
Oh, really?
In Africa. And Alan Cavé is so demanded.
Oh, demanded in Africa?
In Africa.
Oh.
Like, Upaka Passe.
Shoko.
Sepapudat is the all-time hit. It's a classic. Tout côté où aller, moun y a demandé Sepapudat.
So again, Alan Cavé, Michael Jackson in
Alan Cavé definitely in Africa. Michael Jackson in Africa.
We
were in Rwanda. Kigali. Okay. And the one thing with Paul Kagame being the president, I have to say this man has done such a great job. On ti papier à terre.
Really?
Okay? You make sure que chaque jour, gen moun qui a balé la rue. You make sure que you gen sa le car-free zone. De quoi essayer de jour, moun yo juste capable vivre pour aller pour marcher, pour faire ça.
Machine ka poule pour.
Correct.
Oh, that's good. Like, so you're not worried about getting hit by a car.
By a car.
Okay.
And again, m'a quitté tout ça pour m'zounou pour notre semaine de quoi pour nous bien chita pour parler sur ça.
Because tonight, nous allons danser, on fait un petit danse Africa. Mama Africa.
And then also too, we have a whole fashion show in terms of Gade Kigali Wanda what to sacre over the years. And again, now Afro-Haitian diaspora, qui nous capable merch culture, our food, tout bagay ça, pour nous capable avancer, pour nous aller en dehors de la communauté haïtienne.
Est-ce que nous mangez jollof rice?
I think jollof rice is from Nigerian. So
it's about
jollof rice. No. Well, I think
Nigerian is Africa.
No, I think jollof rice is known for the Nigerian.
Oh, it's known for the Rwanda.
Right.
Qui mange des magic is known for the Rwanda. Because if they were French fries, I'm going to say about French fries. If they were French fries, so about French fries.
No, but that was the one question we asked them. Like, what is
the authentic
food? They couldn't. They said something, but I couldn't really figure that out. Again, by next week, we'll get all of that.
Bye.
So,
Jordani, thank you. Jordani, the beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies.
The highlights, the bloods. Yes,
the voice.
So you said you did bedjine, you did. What is that what it's so?
This weekend, I did something fun.
What did you do?
I'm gonna go to Africa, Mama Africa. Moi-même, moi dans video shoot. Yo.
For EO's video shoot.
Yes.
You are definitely a fan.
I'm a big fan because like comme t'as parlé avec lui, il t'a fait une musique video, a teaser video for musique les Laku. Welcome. So music salary Laku. Welcome. And I have to say, on joy. So on joue t'a parlé online, that's what he's doing live.
Right.
Bon, on paraît dans la vidéo et puis on commence à parler avec lui, nous commençons à parler de what is he missing to move forward. Si je dis au monde, largely, je dis pas musique. Qui t'a supporté dans ce sens, bon, je t'ai retourné dans la musique. Because tellement que m'enjoy. He's very humble, very nice, very cool guy. But it's everything. Do you need anything? Do you need beer? Do you need drinks? Whatever the case may be. But he was definitely there. And big up to EO Music because music sa boal sorti soon. C'est un bel musique, un petit teaser. C'est pas the real video shoot, non? But c'était T-Boss, monsieur T-Boss, you're big up there where you do, you tell her. So,
no, T-Boss is one of the...
You're the manager.
Qui était vraiment supporté EO,
Yes.
So, our guest is on the way.
Yay!
So
our guest born.
Yes, yeah, so we'll leave that for later. Let me shout out our sponsors.
Shout out the sponsors. I didn't do that.
Don't have to do that.
You have to do that.
Yeah, that's fine. We know be the lounge in Moscow Market. Oh, so that's somebody else that you are saying. Then we also have Office of Life and Health Insurance Services. Also to Nabasari Ferdinand Studio, especially Sexy E, who does my hair. And,
Rihanna. Sexy E. I thought the name of the hair was called Sexy E.
No, Sexy E, who does my hair, is the hairstylist. Rihanna, who did my makeup today. So shout out
to Sexy E. I want gray, blonde, platinum.
Gray, blonde, platinum hair, everything happening at the same time. Nabasari Blitz